So I know I'm really, really this ain't good. Do it. Yeah. But yo, I had this dream from you and he started chasing after this. And he was me. Why he tried to kill me? Yeah, he tried to kill. He tried to kill me. I thought he was gonna kill me. But that was no, that was it had to mix up because he was in my name. That big because I had cause when I went to sleep and she was right there. Don't know if I seen her in my dreams or my nightmare. Girl, I need your love, I don't need no strength. Oh yeah, y'all wanna be my house? That's because I got she knows she's an angel. If you know say I know you can go. You are so good to me. Yeah, don't need another broken heart, oh please not. God, please let me learn. She's a girl of my dreams. Yeah, she was like a girl.